So here is the app called Branded Surveys, Paid Reward, Share Your Opinion and Earn Cash. This is additional app to start and earning cash and gift card rewards today with Branded Surveys. Sign up and take your first survey today. Earn easy and quick cash rewards. Welcome to Branded Surveys, where taking surveys is fun and easy way to earn paid rewards from the comfort of your home. Download today and start taking surveys and rewards. So this is just the app. And then you can just see it in here, and then you can just open it up. You can just go and create an account easily, so just let me show you. All right, so seems you need to be based in US to do this, so that's basically what you have. But yeah, try it out. There's another app called Playful Rewards, but this one seems to be also good if you're based in US. And then you can also cash out for PayPal, Visa, Amazon, but only if you're based in US. So that's what it is.